Hello, welcome to the channel, Khaos Cleaning Solutions. These are all my supplies that I use on a day-to-day basis to clean houses. This home was a video of how to clean a bathroom. Let me know and I will do that. I'll give detailed instructions on how to properly clean a bathroom. I like to take videos of the before and afters just to see the progress, so you guys can enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've made it to this point, thank you so very much. And join us for next time. Thanks.